and welcome to Ceylon Food Court. And today we are going to see how to make a masala tea. Masala tea is a very good spicy tea. It's mostly drunk on evening hours, or it is very special when it comes to a rainy day. And the things needed are very simple. You need, as you know, tea leaves, sugar, and milk powder. Now you can do this in fresh milk also. That is totally possible. There is no problem. I am using milk powder today. And the additionals. You need a cardamom. I'm making this for two. So I have taken one cardamom. This is a good one. So this is more than enough. Now if you are making it for 3 or 4, then you can add another. That multiplies as per the requirement of cups. Now a cardamom, a small piece of cinnamon. This is smacked ginger, which you just can smack it through in your chopping board. That is totally fine. And 3 cloves. And if you have ever felt, if you have catched a cold or cough, you can add 3 pepper seeds. Not pepper powder, but pepper seed. That will fresh up your throat. So these are things needed. That is it. Now this is the small pot that I used to make my tea. So that is available. So now most of the ladies and ladies at your house or the elder, okay, most the elderly people in your house, they will know the measurement, so that they know the measurement and they just pour it through the tap. Now for me, no, I'm not that kind of an expert. So what we can do is, I need only 2 cups of tea. So I will be filling 2 cups of water. There goes. It is my second cup, and that is it. Yeah. Now switch on your flame. I'll keep that in medium and close it. And now guys, as you can see, my water is boiling. Now at this moment, you lower the flame of your gas, and then this is the crucial part. This is a bit complicated because we are using milk powder. You take half of this water to your cup. Now when you are using fresh milk, this is not necessary. If you are making 2 cups, only add 1 cup of water. The rest cup will be milk powder, the fresh milk. Okay, so that goes in, this comes out, that is it. And then you add your tea, and you can either add tea powder first or your ginger. First I am adding my ginger, the ginger that I have smacked, and around 1 tablespoon of tea powder. And this depends on your tea also, because some teas are very quality wise. You need to add only half a teaspoon, or some you need to add even couple of teaspoons to get that color and that texture. So that I'm adding only 1. This is more than enough for me. Now at this time, you add your cinnamon and also your 3 cloves, but not your cardamom. You take that, now take your cardamom, smack 2 times in your chopping board, and you can see the seeds coming out. At this very moment, you pour this into another jar or a cup or a container. You do that. That is empty. See, you have the cardamom in there. That goes on. Now this is, let it boil for a while. This is in low flame, guys. And now you need the the milk powder. I add to the water that I have taken separately. I'm doing about 2 cups of tea. So 2 tablespoons of milk powder would do. Now, as I told you, this is more than this is not necessary when you are doing it through fresh milk. You just need only a cup of fresh milk. At the moment, although I do not have fresh milk at this very moment, I am using milk powder. Mix it well. Now guys, you will have to stir the milk powder that you added to the boiling water very well until it gets dissolved completely. Yeah. Now you can see it is dissolved. Okay. Now over here we have the empty cup with the cardamom, and when you look over here, this will be boiling. Now that is more than enough. Now what you have to do is just get the milk that you have and just pour it carefully into the boiling tea powder. That is it. Okay. And guys, just give it a good stir. See, this is the color that you need at this very moment. If you think, because there are people that they need a high quantity of tea powder, they need a high quantity of tea, so that tea powder, so that if you need a darker, then you can add some tea powder over at this very moment also, because some people used to drink a light amount of tea, and some people will love to have a dark quantity of tea, so that you can add at this very moment. Now this is the quantity that I like, so that you can see a particle of milk powder, because I am using milk powder over here. This won't be the case when it comes to fresh milk. Now let it boil, keep it open and let it boil. Yeah. Now guys, as you can see, it is boiling and you will have to wait. And now see, as I told you, my cardamom is over there, and now you can see the water boiling. Sorry, the tea is boiling, and wait till it rises up. You will see it will rise up. You will have to wait until then. As you can see guys, it is rising now. Now this is the sign that you have to switch off your stove or the gas that you are using, yeah, the boiler. Now you can see it is done. Now you will have to filter the tea, yeah, that you have made. Give it a good stir, and then see my cardamom is inside. I will just filter it over here. Yeah. Now you can see it is being filtered. Keep that. Now you can see my cardamom is in my tea, and it gives a good smell, so that you can and now is where you need to add your sugar. Now see, I so told you this is for 2, so I'll have to add my sugar as required. Now as I told you earlier, this is similar to when it comes to tea powder. Some people like it high with the dark tea, some people like it soft. So now that when it comes to sugar, it is the same scenario. So add sugar as per your requirement. Now this is more than enough for me, 2 scoops of or 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now you need to stir. Now you can add the sugar to this tea and you can stir it. That is up to you, as you like. Now I like it in this way. Yeah. Now our masala tea is ready. All you have to do is serve. That is done. See, perfect. There you go. It is your masala tea.